Not enough USB ports? I have a perfect solution for you. 9-in-1 multi-port data and charging. Minisopuru 9-in-1 10 GB per second transfers, max 45 watt output and power adapter. In the box you will find a charger, a cable and the device itself, which, like you can see if we closely look, we do have USB Type-C 3 10 GB per second ports, 4 USB Type-A 5 GB per second ports, and ports for charging. USB Type-C charging, 45 watts, that's the top, and 24, that's the bottom. If you use both of them at the same time, will be both for 20. There's also a power button, and the brick is nice. That's for the power, DC power. Cable, somewhere under a meter. It looks very stylish on the desk, and also 45 watt charging, giving me a freedom for fast charging my smartphones or any accessory. To test the performance, I connect the original cable to NVMe drive. And that's the maximum what you can get from USB 3.2. Testing the power consumption on the standby and on, with no attachments. This device is for serious work. The amount of ports will give you a maximum usability. Link in the description. See you next video.